Yeah, well, that's very good. How about you? Oh, okay.
Where you going, buddy?
Yeah, I don't know. I guess, didn't research enough. I mean, there was a lot of stuff.
Where's your mommy?
I mean, just like we got beat, Temple got beat. I mean,
Finnegan likes the Italian mom.
I haven't going out
He
twice.
likes what?
The
Normally,
Alice's mom. He'll climb up on her
Normally,
and
I
everything.
only have them go out once, and last year was the first time I only had them going out once. I mean, normally, in last year they did win twice, I think. So I said, well, they won twice
There's
last year.
fragrance going on. One of the dogs.
Well,
I don't like what he does carpet.
Well, there you go.
Or Finn.
Finnegan.
Who's got win?
Finn. Hi.
How'd you make out yesterday?
See my toes, Karen?
Postponed again.
Haven't had Zoloft today?
I have
What?
had my Wellbutrin.
Oh, well, then you're okay.